Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Unang Ïalam jong kaliang persya uba Ronnie viling do ulong ban omla setia ban nyaw yaki Dkhot jong National Liberation Council of Nongkendong. Handai la ban shim bagi day Tang ki Samla ki bala Shah Ïalam Bakla. Uba Ronnie bulong ru Unang Ïalam jong Congress Legislature Party. Hak jing kran bagi la pathai kubuar hak arphui terik nailar aja apulai. Ulapun paru bahag jing sngo jong u. Kajing Shah Ïalam Bakla jong ki Dkhot ke National Liberation Council of Nongkendong kam day setia nakada bagi wan nagi long yeng long sam ki baduk. Hak juga por ba Ronnie la kuntu yo sorgar ba kan shim khia halor ke jingkulu kam hakini ke jalang da ba plela di Samla hakaliang ga yo kam yo jam kran bagi Samla kin Shah Ïalam Bakla hakalinti ka pamdei.
I think it's not a serious issue, just few elements, I think very few. In fact, you cannot call them, militants. You can call them, misguided youth. That what to say, that romantic idea, of holding a gun and, So I think they have to be, properly educated that this is not the right path. If you have any issues, any problem, that is not the solution. If that is the case, then you'll see more, graduates, postgraduates taking up to cause. But then I think you'll see most of them are school dropouts. So I don't think such economic condition is, that leads them to this taking up arms. I don't think so. But then of course we have to address this issue of unemployment. And I think that is because like we discussed today, agriculture is one sector that can generate employment, not necessarily government job. But then if agriculture is promoted in such a way, like for example, again I would like to commend the minister of the department where they had this pineapple festival in Delhi. And people of Delhi, didn't know that Meghalaya grows such juicy sweet apples. Pineapples. So, all this, if we can look into all this and then encourage our young youth to start business, going into agribusiness, going into all this, then maybe they can even sustain themselves and then economically improve their lot also. This interaction we have the department, this one way of addressing that problem of unemployment. We have so many of our youth, who have finished their agriculture, BSc agriculture course. Maybe they can be encouraged, given some loans to start, business in agribusiness, in agriculture, horticulture, apiculture.